Hi guys, my name is DeWanda, and today I want to show y'all how to sift my potting mix for my container garden. I make my own potting mix, so I use the black hummus, and the brand is Landscaper's Pride 1.5 cubic feet bag. And what I do, I use this bucket here. It's a 50-gallon bucket. I think I ordered these online though. I think I ordered these from Amazon. It's by Sterlite, and I just sifted in this, and I use a 1/4 inch. I think this fencing is galvanized. Like it's for, I guess it's for fencing, yeah. And I separate the wood chips. I just rolled it up like this with some PVC piping. I contour it to this bucket here. I'm going to show y'all right quick how I do this. And it just sits right there, and it sits on this side. And like I said, I contour it to fit this bucket tightly like this. On both ends. And that's the setup. I normally pull up a chair right here and just get to work. And grab me a bag, and I just pour it on here. I don't like half a bag, and I just go like this. I'm gonna show y'all right quick how I do it. And I just want to let y'all see this, guys. This right here, look at this. I think this is about 4 bags of those potting mix. And look at all the wood chips in there. It filled up this barrel. It's just nothing but wood chips. And you get like a half a bag of hummus. And the rest is just decomposing bark. This is a bark mix. I take something out. This bag is kind of heavy, and I just dump it there. And I just make sure I have some plastic gloves on when I'm doing this. It just goes faster when you're using 2 hands instead of a tool like this, trying to, sift it like that. But I just use my hand like this, and I just, break it up and sift it. And I use this part just at the bottom of my pot, probably about 2 inches of a pot. Fill it up like this is my filler, and have my fluffy dirt on top. In this bucket right here, I just leave it on the side of this bucket right there, and just sweep this into that as I go. Yes, this do take some time, but guys, it's well worth it. Taking all these with bark out of here and just use it as a filler at the bottom of your pot, and it will break down and supply some nutrients to your plant in the long run. So don't get rid of it. Just use it as a filler to the bottom of your pot. And that's how I do it. And I just get it over here. Look at this. All sifted now. And that wasn't even, that's a half a bag. And look at all this. And I just continue to do that until it's all full. You're probably wondering why I don't use, why I use this instead of potting mix. It's because I like the feel of this, and it has some stuff that, you know, I don't have to worry about adding too much stuff. I really want it to, I don't use perlite or vermiculite in my potting soil. I use coarse sand and decomposed granite because I want to turn it into some kind of silt, and I use clay. So I try to make my own loamy soil as we speak by adding those elements. And then I'll do another video and show y'all how I make my potting soil. And this is nothing but aged bark. 100% aged bark. That's all this is. If I use two hands, it's quicker. But when you get tired, honey, you put one hand on your hip and then you just use one hand. I keep those bags and refill those bags with all the leftover bark and stuff. If you don't have a container, you can reuse your bags. And the good thing about this, I'm sifting it in the container that I'm saving the soil in, so I don't have to transfer it. This is my storage for it, so it's a one-shot deal. And what I like about this, I can take it, bring it over, hand it over like this, and dump it. And it's all done. Turn it over and just put it back over there. Okay, that's how much soil I got. It's beautiful soil. Look at that, it's nice. Very fluffy and nice. I don't like to cover it too much because I like it to dry out. So I won't have to worry about no bugs trying to get in there because it's moist or nothing. So I really don't put the cover all the way on it. I put the screen on it when I'm done and then put the lid on top of that to make sure no water or anything leaks in there. But I got it under my carport, my patio, so I don't have to worry about the water leaking in there. But that is that's why I like this. It's very nice. When it's dry, it is still crumbly when it's dry. And you just get the bare minimum of the little small branches, but not the big chunks. Not the big chunks. So guys, that's how I sift my, I'm out of breath, I'm so tired. That's how I sift my potting soil for my containers. All right guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Like I say, anybody can do this solo. You know, it just takes a little patience and a little trial and error until you get it. And that's like happy moments until eternity. To no end of happiness. You know, once you get a down pack on how you're going to do things, that's it. So guys, that's my time. I hope y'all having a lovely day, smiley day. Until next time, bye.